Where can you find reliable water for survival in the wild? Imagine you're miles from civilization, and your only concern is staying hydrated. Finding safe water in the wild is a skill that can save your life. The first place to look is flowing water like streams, rivers, and springs. Moving water is usually cleaner than stagnant ponds because it carries away bacteria and parasites. Springs are especially good because water emerges directly from underground sources, often making it cleaner. Look for water bubbling out of the ground or flowing downhill in valleys and ravines. Lakes and ponds can be sources too, but they tend to be stagnant and may contain pollutants. If you do find a lake or pond, be sure to purify the water before drinking. Wetlands and low-lying areas are also worth checking. These spots often have groundwater close to the surface, and digging a shallow hole can sometimes reveal water. Remember, always purify it first. You can also find water by observing nature. Lush green plants and dense trees often indicate nearby water sources. Animals and insects are good clues too. Follow animal tracks or trails, as animals need water regularly. Birds flying to water in the early morning or evening are signs of nearby water. Mosquitoes and other insects gathering in one area also point to water. The terrain can guide you as well. Water flows downhill, so focus on valleys, ravines, and low spots rather than high ridges. When collecting water, rain is a natural resource. Use a tarp or plastic sheet to catch rainwater and funnel it into a clean container. Early morning dew can be gathered by wiping plants with a cloth and wringing it out into a container. For more advanced methods, digging a small hole, placing a container in the center, covering it with plastic, and weighting the plastic to create a solar still can produce drinkable water from soil and plants. No matter where you find water, always remember to purify it before drinking. Boiling water for at least 1 minute kills most bacteria and parasites. Filtering through a fine cloth or commercial filter with a pore size of 0.22 microns or less removes bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. Chemical treatments like iodine or chlorine tablets are also effective, but follow the instructions carefully. Solar disinfection by placing water in clear bottles in direct sunlight can help as well. Avoid water near dead animals, upstream from human activity, or water that looks cloudy, has an odd smell, or strange color. Combining these methods, finding water through clues, collecting it safely, and purifying it, keeps you hydrated and healthy when you're in the wild.